Hello and welcome back, my dear friends. Today I will be sharing a very quick and easy veg balls recipe. Let's quickly take a look at the ingredients that we need for this recipe. 1 bowl of grated cabbage, 1 bowl of grated carrots, 8 to 10 very finely chopped French beans, half a green capsicum very finely chopped, 1 large onion very finely chopped, 1 big clove of garlic grated, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 2 chilies cut into very small pieces, salt as per taste, sugar as per taste, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and oil as required. In a bowl, we add all the veggies one by one. You can add vegetables according to your own personal choice. Add the onions, add the grated garlic, add the grated ginger, add the chilies according to your taste, add salt as per your taste. I have added around 1 teaspoon of salt. Add sugar as required. I have added around 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add the all-purpose flour, that is maida. Add the cornstarch. Add as required so that it binds well and we can make balls out of it. Mix everything very nicely. No need to add water as the vegetables will release water. It is better to use our hands because it will be much faster and we can easily and evenly mix up everything. You can see that we can make balls out of it. Mixture is perfectly ready. Now we need to place a pot or a deep fry pan and add sufficient amount of oil to it. When the oil is hot, make balls from the veg mix and then add them one by one into the oil. Do not add too many of them at a time, otherwise they will break. On medium heat, deep fry the veg balls. Turn the sides in between and fry till golden brown. Now we take them out in a bowl. As we fry the rest of the balls. As you can see, my friends, our veg balls are perfectly ready. You can enjoy it as a snack, make sandwiches with it, or you can add to any gravies of your choice. Please try this out and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe and get notified about more interesting recipes coming every week. Till then, bye-bye.